So now let's add some sounds. There is a lot of sounds of GTA in YouTube. I just download a video from there and extract the audio. It's like just search for YouTube to MP3, and then I convert this to a WAV file. So basically, let's import it. Okay, let's right click, import, and you will see that it's here. SW sound wave wasted. So double click on this. Let's check how it sounds. Okay, perfect. So now that I have this, I can just right click and then create cue. And let's just call this sound cue wasted. Okay, just double click on this. And now let's just, it's not looping, that's exactly what we want. And let's just leave it like that. And we don't want override attenuation, so basically this will be a 2D sound. It will sound anywhere. It won't be like spatialized, like in the 3D space where you put a wall and then the sound doesn't go through the wall. We don't want that. So very easy. We just put the sound here. Just keep adding more things. We can just put play sound 2D. There you go. And then we can put the wasted. Great. So let's try it out. Play from here. All right. So we got a little issue that it's playing 2 times. We're gonna fix that later, I believe. Let's see, depending on how long the tutorial is. So basically, yeah, there you go. Perfect. And you can check the sound with that. That's great. You can see how adding all these little things like the post process to make it black and white, the camera shake to make it move a little bit, the UI, the animation on the UI, and the sound work together to have like the total feeling of this feature.